Hey, welcome to Thirsty Thursdays, new Italian series by me. I'm so glad that you've joined. I'm really excited. Campari is just a liquor, but it's predominantly an aperitif. It's very bitter, so you could actually sweeten it up with citrus or prosecco or even some soda, but it's very widely recognized. Red in color, infused with herbs and fruit. And you could basically find a whole bunch of recipes online where you can make a good drink or a good cocktail. It's actually older than Italy. It was founded in 1860, and it's actually to honor Italy's unification. And there's the Garibaldi, which is one of the cocktails to represent the unification of Italy. And it's actually pretty interesting, but you can find a whole bunch of cocktails that go along with it. But anyways, I'm excited to kick off this new series, so thank you for visiting. I really appreciate you coming by. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot of information and a lot of cool stuff. Also visit my website. Thanks again. Leave a comment, drop a like. Peace.